naman natin kung ano itong ipapaliwanag ni Pars Prince, Mars. Let's see. So ano to, Pars Prince? Is it an eksena?
Yes po, isang scene po sa Descendants of the Sun. Mga last year po yan nag-taping. Tapos sa scene po na yan, meron kaming nirescue yung tao. So kailangan po talaga na sobrang bilis namin na magpunta sa helicopter. Kaso yung beach doon, madaming mga parang mga damo-damo, tapos puro bato siya. Plus yung hangin pa ng helicopter is ang lakas. So medyo nilalabanan ko siya. Tapos ending yun, tumumba ako habang nagte-taping.
Ay!
Puro astigin yung mga feature natin this morning, Mars, ha?
Oo nga, parang very adventure ang peg natin ngayon,
Ang masama din nga, bawal mag-take to kasi yung helicopter mahal din ata yung pag-rent, tsaka may time siya na kailangan sundin. So wala nang take to yun.
Okay!
Mars, it's your turn.
Eto naman, let's see! Ano ba tong paandar na tong ipapaliwanag ko, Mars? Let's see.
Mom and Dad time off. Oh, Mars. O, diba ang saya? Kain-kain ng samgyup.
Correct, Mars. Ayan.
Oh, diba?
Kain-kain. Oo. Actually, Mars, alam mo, itong trip namin ito ni VJ, sobra siyang mabilisan. It was really unplanned kasi it was for work. We had to shoot a vlog. So, we had to find a place kung saan namin gagawin yung trabaho. Tas biglaan lang talaga yun, Mars. VJ started calling people kung saan pwedeng pumunta. Tas dyan nga kami sinabihan to go. Tapos pagdating namin dun, Mars, inisip lang namin, sige, dun tayo kumain. Anong kakainin natin? Korean, para madali. So I ordered the night before ng frozen para babaunin. Tapos in fairness, Mars, naitawid naman. Nailusot naman namin ng simple lang, ng yun lang yung dala namin. Nakakain kami, nag-enjoy din. It was just a quick afternoon. Well, medyo late na kami nakaalis ng Mars, mga 10 or 11 a.m. And we were back home before dinner or mga dinner time. So, quick lang talaga na.
Oh, okay na rin, Mars.
Yeah, oo. So, ang saya lang, Mars. Ang saya din to be able to, spend time with your husband. Kasi, syempre, being stuck at home na yung routine nyo pare-pareho palagi. You always have to take care of the kids and do other things. So, at least yan, yung attention nyo ay nasa isa't isa lang talaga. So, yun.
At saka nakapag-enjoy kayo outdoors, with nature, with no masks. Kayo lang, you don't have to worry about other people being around.
And yes,
Sarap.
that's true, Mars. Talagang very precious moment sa panahon ngayon. Alam mo, na-realize ko nga rin, Mars, na parang dati, we take for granted kapag nakakalabas tayo ng ganon. Yung kapag umaalis tayo, tas puro nature, parang normal lang. Pero ngayon, parang being able to do that, napakalaking...
It's really a treat.
Yeah, parang it's such a big accomplishment already for yourself na, uy, nakalabas ako, nang wala akong mask and all those things. So, yeah. Enjoy talaga.
Kasi right now, it's the safest place to be, di ba?
Yeah, totoo, Mars. And with no people, di ba? Yun yung mahalaga. At syempre, eto na, Mars. Let's see your paandar.
Okay, ano bang ipapaliwanag ko?
Nakita ko to, Mars!
Pero marami pa ako, Mars!
Kasi, ano ba ang fina-flex mo dyan, Mars?
Actually, Mars, for work din ito. Pero wala lang, parang inisip ko lang na irampa ko muna yung damit ko. Kaya, yan yung opening scene, Mars.
Okay.
Kasi nga, Mars, yung challenge these days, dahil nga napakainit, diba? It's like, it's trying to stay fresh in whatever we're wearing throughout the day, from the start to the finish. Kaya, irampa ko muna siya habang fresh pa siya, Mars.
Correct. Tama yan, Mars. Para-paraan talaga ang freshness these days.
Kasi towards the end of the day, medyo panis na siya, Mars.
Nice one, Mars! Thank you guys also for sharing.